What's your name?
I'm Wally Glenn, Pyro Boy.
And Pyro Boy is your superhero name, I assume.
It is my superhero name.
What does Pyro Boy do?
Pyro Boy covers his body in fireworks, dances around, and explodes on a stage.
Right? You know, I feel like I've been institutionalized, and we're all in one crazy house together, because this sounds nuts to me. I mean, do women get excited by this when they see you covered in fireworks?
They find it hot.
They find it hot. All right, Pyro Boy, I'm excited for you. Give him hell. Let's see it.
Thanks. Let's get on to it.
Oh, God.
What a lunatic. What drives these people, you know?
Oh, just the fame, the fortune, the glamour.
Well, look at this. What is this guy wearing?
Oh, God.
You know, in another universe, he would be a superhero.
Really?
Sure.
What universe?
The Bizarro world.
Bizarro.
What if this thing comes this way, like one of those
Oh,
firecrackers?
you know, I didn't even think of that.
All right, man, go get him. I'm gonna be over here, way over here. Okay, guys, it's clear. Are you guys ready? Yes. Pyro Boy, are you ready? Let's count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where's my ex?
It's ridiculous.
Go back! Go back! Don't come near us with your crazy knees.
I mean, seriously.
Guy could blow us up with his knees.
Pyro Boy. You know what I like about you? I think you're legally insane. That's what I think. You know, I'm going to start the voting. And this is going to probably shock not only the audience, but my fellow judges. I'm looking at you. I'm thinking about what you just did. And in some weird way, I like you. I really like you. Like, it was so silly, but Pyro Boy, you made me laugh. And if you can make me laugh and make me feel good, I'm giving you a yes. Yeah, that's right. I want to see this again. Howie, what do you say?
You know what I say. I gave him an X. You should watch fireworks. You shouldn't wear fireworks. What is wrong?
Get off the stage.
No! No!
All right, come on, Mel B, come on.
You know, it's pretty and it's sparkly. And I'm confused.
I'm confused too, so confused.
Don't we need a superhero like Pyro Boy jumping off the Grand Canyon on fire with fireworks, rescuing a young lady in distress as he lights himself on fire?
No!
Pyro Boy! Pyro Boy! Pyro Boy! Pyro Boy! Come on, it's a yes.
I'm gonna say yes.
Yes, 2 yeses.
I don't know what I'm thinking, but...
All you need is one German supermodel, and you go on. Pyro Boy! Pyro Boy!
What is he doing? He's nuts.
Oh! Heidi! Heidi, what's it gonna be? Pyro Boy! Pyro Boy!
Pyro Boy, I'm gonna give you a yes!
Are you nuts? Are you nuts?
Yes!
Yes, I'm nuts!
We all know.
We're nuts!
I hope you use your powers for the good of America, Pyro Boy.
Yeah! Thank you, Howard!
What are we thinking?
I love you.